Follow along to create this quick and easy costume. You will need white felt, red felt letters, foam snowflakes, and a clown wig. I used a piece of crab paper to create the pattern. You can just hold it up against your child for the sizing. You want to cut out 2 triangles and 2 straps from the white felt. Glue the straps to the inside of the triangles, attaching all the pieces together. Glue on the letters to spell out the word snow cone. Add foam snowflakes all over the front. Add a colorful wig and this costume is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.